English reader?
Yes.
Is this social reader?
No.
Is this English reader?
Yes.
Okay, Mubina, can you stand up?
Okay, sir.
What is this?
This is a pouch.
Oh, this is a pouch. This is a
Pouch.
Okay, now today we are going to learn yes or no framing questions. What we are going to learn? Yes or no framing questions. How to frame yes or no questions. Okay, there are two types of questions. One is double question, another is yes or no questions. So, whenever we want to take any information, we ask double questions, and whenever we have any doubt, then we ask yes or no questions. So, we know that we know helping verbs. How many kinds of helping verbs are there? 24 helping verbs. What are they?
Eat, and, are, were, and, have, can,
may, might, do,
did,
does, must, are,
do,
be, will. Okay, these are helping verbs. So, first step to frame yes or no question is, first we have to read the statement. This is the statement. The statement is, what is the statement?
You are students.
You are students. Sit down. Very good. The first step is, we should keep the helping verb in the first of the sentence. So, are is the helping verb, you know. So, we should keep are in the first sentence. Okay? Mubina, sit down. Abubakar, stand up. What is this? Can you complete this sentence?
Yes, sir.
So, tell me the sentence. This is the statement. First, you read the statement.
You are
students. You are students. So, then how to frame? First step is we have to keep the helping verb first. So, what is the helping verb? Are. So, we should keep are in first. Then what should we write here?
You.
Are you students? Okay. Are you students? So, another step is we should keep the punctuation that is called question mark. What is that?
Question mark.
See, this is question mark. Okay. So, punctuation is very, very important. Sit down. Very good. Now, you have this is a bottle. This is a bottle. Can you change into yes or no question?
Is this a bottle?
Okay. First, what should we write here? We should write is the helping verb first. Then second step is we should write all the sentences. Is this a bottle? What should we do next? We should keep question mark. Very good. Sit down. You stand up. Can you read this statement? Classical dance. She is learning classical dance. So, this is the statement. How do we change into yes or no question? Is she. So, we should keep is first. Is she learning classical dance? What should we do next? We should keep question mark. What we call the question mark? Punctuation. Question mark is punctuation. Okay, sit down. Can you read this one? We can stand up. Very good. We can enjoy the movie. What should we write here first? Very good. What should we write? Helping verb first. Can. Okay. Can we? Come on, tell me. Can we movie? So what should we write at the end of the question? Question mark. So question mark is called punctuation. Okay. Today we completed how to frame yes or no questions. Will you open your textbook page number 60? Sit down. Page number 60. See, there are so many sentences are there. There are so many statements. In one box there are statements. In another box, we should have to frame the question. See, first is that she is learning classical dance. What is the question? Is she learning classical dance? Will you read the second sentence? Statement first. They were delicious. So what is the question? The second question. What are they playing? there are following fill in the blanks are there. So you should change the assignment questions. Okay, that is your homework. You should write and come here. This is the page number 16. Okay, shall we meet tomorrow?
Okay,
Thank you.